Hello friends, today we try to understand distinction between tort and crime. Wrong is broadly classified into private wrong and public wrong. Private wrong is also called as civil wrong since it is readdressable in the civil court, whereas public wrong is nothing but a crime and it is tried in the criminal court. Before distinguishing the crime and the tort, it is necessary to know the meaning of the tort and definition of the tort. The term tort is derived from the Latin word tortem, which means twisted. I repeat, the tort is the Latin word derived from tortem. It means twisted, and in English word and English dictionary, tortem means wrong or a wrongful act, as it is the civil wrong. Professor Winsfield defined tort as a tortious liability which arises from the breach of duty primarily fixed by the law, and this duty is towards a person generally, and its breach is addressable by an action for which unliquidated damages. Now friends, coming to the difference between the crime and the tort. Crime is the public wrong, while as a tort is a civil wrong. In the crime, the person who committed the crime is called accused, but it is before guilt. When the guilt is not proved, up to the guilt is not proved, it is called accused, but the person after the guilt is called convict. So I repeat the same. The person before guilt proved is called accused, and after guilt is proved, it is called convict. While as in the tort, the person who commit the tort is called tortfeasor or a wrongdoer. I repeat, the person who committed the tort is called tortfeasor or a wrongdoer. Number 3, the offense against the public at the large. Well, crime is the public at the large, or it is offense against the society as a whole. I repeat, the crime is the offense which is public at the large and society as a whole, while as tort is cause injury to the individual or damage to the individual or a group of individual. So cause injury or damage to the individual or group of individual, that is a tort. Again, the crime is tried in the criminal court, while as a tort is tried in the civil court. The object of the criminal law is to punish the criminal and establish peace and security to the society. I repeat, the main objective of the criminal law is to punish the criminal and establish peace and security to the society, while the prime object of the tort is to provide remedy or relief to the injured person. Means to provide a relief to the injury is the main object behind the tort. And finally, in the crime, there is a non-compoundable offense, while as in the tort, it is compoundable offense. But generally, law does not permit a settlement between the parties in the criminal cases, while as, however, in the section 320 of CARPC provides exceptions to the general rule and it can be compoundable. But in the tort, law permits the injured party and the tortfeasor to settle the dispute, and that is why it is called a compoundable. Why it is called compoundable? Because this law permits the parties to settle between themselves, settle between the injured party and the tortfeasor. In the other word, the plaintiff can withdraw the suit filed by them and litigation is the compoundable. That's all. Thank you so much, friends. Have a nice day.